Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Willie T with the E in the 3, and we back with another video. And today took a little break. It was one day, but we're back at it like a crack at it. Let's do it. Some different things. I got my 2-strand twist and new retwist, and I got just a little sun, just a little sun, nothing too crazy. Anyway, let's get right into this video, man. I need y'all to stop cutting up. But if you're gonna do it, I can't really stop you. But if you're gonna do it, at least do it right. Or you gonna do it wrong? I'm trying to tell you now. Don't forget to like, comment, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification, and yeah, they do it. They in there. What is a Beamer? That's a Beamer. Definitely B58. Could be M series. I just know it's a Beamer. Damn. Nigga vibing. They're really sliding though. Out of there. Look at that. They going through that bit. He said the video going viral. Oh my gosh. They really up in there. Hold up. I'm gonna tell you this right now. I would have been crashed. That one would have got me right there. That's the one that would have got me. I wouldn't have made it. They running, they up out of there though. Sheesh. These niggas is moving. Oh, shoulder ass. What is a Porsche? Damn, he almost hit the hell out that damn car. Look at that. Good brakes. Can't put that down. That's an M8 right there. That's an M4. I don't know. That might be an M8, but I don't know. They always in New York. That's a New York tag, ain't it? Y'all can't see it for real, but it's yellow. That's insane. They made it. Barely. Hold up. He almost hit the hell out that nigga. I don't know how he didn't hit that nigga right there. They're still wilding. It's crazy. Wait a minute. We can't just transition to a Lambo. Come on now. Damn. That, oh my gosh, that sounds insane. Sheesh. Damn. That's insane. Rule number 1, if you want to cut it, you gotta buy a Lambo, a Porsche, or any M series BMW. That's it. He not even cutting up, bro. He just driving a Lambo. Look at the cutting up, bro. He just driving a Lambo. Here we go. Let's get some real shit. What the hell? Not the POV. with the 350Z. This is what I'm talking about. And it's a manual. That boy real life driving. Rev limiter. Rev perimeter. Out of there. That's how you get up out of there. That boy is hitting them bumps, boy. Camera shaky as hell. Out of there. Oh, he went that way. Got my ass. Your boy be playing the Sutta Corsa. Out of there. Bro, I don't know. Cutting up at night is hard. It's harder than cutting up regularly. It's harder than cutting up regularly. There we go. Out of there. Okay, cutting up at night in the rain is actually more insane. Oh, cutting up in the rain. Cutting up at night in the rain. Insane. Oh, shit. Oh, he drifting. My fault. Damn, he eating that shit up. Oh, God. Damn. What the fuck? That was clean. That was the cleanest drift I done seen on ramp. Crazy. I can't do that in Forza. Y'all seen the last video? Oh yeah. If y'all ain't seen my last video, when I said stop drifting CTSVs, that's me playing Forza. Show how I really drift. You know, I couldn't do what he just did on the game. But that's another thing. Drifting in real life. They say drifting in real life is easier than drifting online. I mean, on simulations. I don't know. I think it makes sense because in sim racing, you can't feel a car. In real life, you can feel a car. You can feel everything. And that helps you control a drift, maintain a drift, get out of a drift, save a drift, all that. Just saying. Out of there. Alright, he have to go all the way over there. Audi, he's in the Audi R8. Y'all see that V10 right there? That's the Audi R8, motherfucker. Out of there. Oh shit, that's wild. He's wild. He's wilding. In the far right lane is insane. I'm gonna listen to that old school ATL shit. Out of there. That was too close for comfort though. Skirt. I felt that bump, that big ass bump, boy. He ate that up. I ain't gonna lie, he ate that up. What? Is that YB and Corday? This type of music I'm cutting up to. The situation was. I can't tell what kind of car this is. Wherever they moving though. That was kind of weak, bro. This is, what is it say? The ultimate cut up compilation. This shit kind of weak as hell. Wins and fails. I ain't seen how to fail yet.
Fuck wrong with niggas? Fuck wrong with niggas? Like, I don't cut up.
Let's see. Do you cut up? Why you? Wait, hold up.
Go ahead, Sean. Yeah, all three. Let's go.
335. E92 335 right there.
I'm out here. I don't know why you want to go over there. I don't do no freeway shit, nigga. No expressway. I ain't got no express shit, nigga.
Yo, who put this compilation together, bro? I seen better cutting up from that one dude from New York. This is wild.
Tesla out here, shorty. I cut, yo. This is not nothing. Fuck.
Nigga, low-key a good cameraman. How you got that Tesla? Whoa, what's happening? Epilepsy.
Nah, wake niggas up.
He's cutting up with a Tesla.
I don't give a fuck. I cut.
What'd he do?
Cut.
I'm sorry, I'm intrigued. I want to see. What is he in, a G?
Cut.
He didn't do anything fantastic.
BMW.
What is that, a G?
Cutting early.
It's a BMW? I don't know.
BMW's cutting earlier with me. Yo, hopped on the expressway.
That's not a BMW he in, though. That's a G.
And I'm still
A Lexus?
with his ass, my nigga.
I don't know.
Watch it, watch it.
Nah, bro, I don't watch that. I'm sorry. This an Audi.
Where's that Q50? Yeah, this motherfucker brake check this?
Brake check all three of us.
Let's go! Let's go! No way. Brake checking like crazy. Oh, shit.
What in the hell? It's the end of the video, bro. Y'all ready to talk about ultimate cutting up traffic compilation wins and fails 2023. This has 128,000 views. Let's see what they say in the comments. First clip was crazy. They got chemistry. This guy in the VQ got crazy skills. Shifts were crazy. He had the best video. The nigga in the 350Z. The guys in the Lambo wasn't really cutting anything. More afraid to speed up anything. That's what I'm saying. All the Z did was struggle to go 15 miles an hour faster than traffic and excessively changed lanes. Doing the black car on the first clip was just on dude in the front so heavy you didn't even know the color of the leading car. These guys are a good way to get a new car. Speaking from resistance. Oh my gosh. Very cold, fantastic phrase. Shoulder jackets. What? Shoulder jackers. Equally as stupid. Jack the okay, whatever, bro. Yeah, these goddamn clips was terrible. I'm sorry. Buying a Rolls Royce Cullinan at 21. Lord Jesus Christ. Quan is we gotta stop. He must be stopped. Nah. Congrats, my boy. But shit, what I'm at? God damn it. That's the end of the video. Amazing end of the video, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification. It is December. No, it's January 26th. We uploaded like 15 videos this month already. Probably more than that. And my birthday on February 1st. You know what I'm saying? February 1st, which is in what, like 6 days. Ain't got shit planned. But I will be doing a K1 speed league race, and I can bring my GoPro. I didn't know that last time, so this time we're gonna hit the GoPro POV action for y'all, and we're gonna drop the video with me GoPro on these niggas. How y'all been though? Y'all been good? I know I missed y'all yesterday, but we back at it today. But go ahead, drop this today, and then goddamn edit for TikTok and Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, TikTok, it's actually right here. I never really mentioned that. It's right here. So go do that. Anyway, I got you one, get you one. If you ain't got you one, you better get you one. Got time to get me one. If I get mine before you get yours, I'm gonna tear the city up for real. For real.